Welcome to video class students. This is construction of quadrilaterals in 8th mathematics. Construction quadrilateral. See, quadrilateral means qua means four. Lateral means a side. So the four-sided closed figures, we can say those are quadrilaterals. So let us see some of the shapes which we observe in our real life. See, this is a playground, stadium, and this is a blackboard, and these are kites, isn't it? You students like these kites, to fly these kites and all. This one is a, I think this one is a swimming pool. This is a play card, and this is an arch. So when you closely observe all these shapes are uh, closed polygons, that is four-sided figures, isn't it? See, look at this stadium. The stadium is a closed figure with four sides. This looks like somewhat about a rectangle. And this one, blackboard, this is also a closed polygon with four sides. And this looks like, I think, this is a square. And these are the kite. And this kite also has four sides, four. And this one, when you observe this part, this one, it look like a trapezium. And this one play card, when you look at this symbol, how it look like? It look like a rhombus. And when you observe this one look like a trapezium. This one, I think this is a parallelogram. So these are the shapes which we observe in our daily life. If we want to draw these shapes in our notebooks, so what is the basic shape behind each diagram? So the basic shape is nothing but a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means the four-sided closed figure. So let us compare two shapes at a time. So these two are this one. What is this shape like? Look like this look like a square. And how this shape look like? This shape look like a rhombus. This play card resembles like a rhombus, and this blackboard resembles like a square. So let us see some of the properties. So the shape of a square and rhombus already I have displayed. Now regarding the sides. In a square, all sides are equal. In rhombus also, all sides are equal. In a square, the angles, all angles will be equal. Whereas in a rhombus, only the opposite angles will be equal. This angle and this angle, only the opposite angles will be equal. And in a square, the diagonals bisect each other. And in rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. And when you look at the square, the opposite sides, that is AB and CD, these two sides are parallel with each other. And here also in rhombus, the opposite sides are parallel with each other. So this is all about the square and the rhombus. Now let us move on to the properties of a rectangle and a parallelogram. So this one, the cricket stadium, look like a rectangle. This is a stadium, indoor stadium, isn't it? The indoor stadium, the plane which we observe here look resembles like a rectangle. The rectangle has four vertices and it has four sides also. And this swimming pool, I think this one is a swimming pool, looks like a parallelogram. Now let us see the properties of rectangle and a parallelogram. Rectangle and a parallelogram now. See, the shape is, one is rectangle, this one, and one is parallelogram. Let us see about the sides, description regarding the sides. So in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. In a parallelogram also, the opposite sides are equal. Whereas the angles in a square, the all angles will be equal and that equal to 90 degrees. Whereas in a parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal. When you add the adjacent angles, see this angle P and angle Q, when you add these two angles, it will be equal to 180 degrees. And regarding the diagonals, in a rectangle, the diagonals will bisect each other, whereas in parallelogram also, the diagonals will bisect each other. Looking about the parallel lines, see the opposite sides are parallel in rectangle, and in parallelogram also the opposite sides are parallel with each other. Now, the properties of trapezium and a kite. The properties of trapezium and a kite. So this arch, when you look at this arch, this resembles like a trapezium. And these are the vertices of the trapezium, and these are the kites. You children all you'll play with kites, isn't it? So these are the kites, and this look like a kite. So now we'll move on to the properties of trapezium and a kite. See here, the shapes are, one is trapezium, the another one is kite. So this is the trapezium. See, I'll show you. So this one is a trapezium. This one is a trapezium and this one is a kite. The trapezium have 4 vertices and the kite is also has 4 vertices. Now the sides. So in a trapezium, the sides are not equal. So all the sides are not equal. These two, AD and BC, we can call these two are the legs of the trapezium. And here in the kite, only the adjacent sides are equal. So this one, PQ is equal to QR and PS is equal to SR. Now about the angles. In a trapezium, the sum of the adjacent angles, sum of the adjacent angles, when you add angle A with angle D, that will be 180 degrees. In kite also, when you add the adjacent angles, this angle and this angle, when you add these two angles, that will be equal to 180 degrees. And diagonals of the trapezium. The diagonals of the trapezium bisect each other, and here in the kite, the diagonals will bisect and they are perpendicularly bisect. So perpendicularly bisect means when you look at the angle at the intersection part, it will be equal to 90 degrees. And the opposite sides are definitely parallel in trapezium. And when you look at the kite, the opposite sides need not be parallel. They are not parallel. When you see also, they are not parallel. Now, let us complete this table now. Let us complete this table now. So this is the table here. Now we'll fill this table. So these are the shapes, two-dimensional shapes, that is square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, and kite. How the sides are. Regarding the sides, when you take the square, in a square, all the sides are equal or not? Tell me. They are equal. Opposite sides, they are equal. Opposite sides are parallel or not? They are parallel. Angles, in a square, all angles will be equal. Opposite angles, they are also equal. When you add two adjacent angles, are they equal to 180 degrees? Yes. Diagonals, in a square, the diagonals will bisect each other. and the diagonals will bisect at perpendicular, and the length of the diagonals will also be equal. Now let us see about the rhombus. 2D figure rhombus. In a rhombus, all sides will be equal, but the opposite sides are also equal, and opposite sides are also parallel. And look at the angles now. In a rhombus, all angles will be equal? No, this is the variation between the square and a rhombus. In a rhombus, only the opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. And when you add the adjacent angles, that will be equal to 180 degrees. Now, regarding the diagonals, in a rhombus, the diagonals bisect each other, and the great property, that is, the diagonals will bisect at perpendicularly, and the length of the diagonals may not be defined. Here, regarding the rectangle, in a rectangle, are the all sides are equal in a rectangle? No, only the opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Are they parallel in rectangle? Yes, they are parallel. Now about angles. Are the angles in the rectangle are equal? Yes. All the angles, opposite angles are equal? Yes, opposite angles are also equal. When you add the adjacent angles, what is the sum of the angles, adjacent angles, how much you'll get? That is 180 degrees. The diagonals, here also the diagonals will bisect each other. And are they perpendicularly bisect? No. In a rectangle, the diagonals will bisect each other, but they did not intersect at perpendicularly, and the length of the diagonals will be equal in a rectangle. Now, the 2D shape, that is parallelogram, are the sides in a parallelogram all are equal? No. Only the opposite sides are equal. Are the opposite sides are parallel with each other? Yes. Angles, regarding angles, all the angles are equal in parallelogram? No. Only there will be two acute angles and two obtuse angles. So the opposite angles will be equal, and the sum of the adjacent angles, when you add the adjacent angles, what will be the angle, sum of the angles? That is 180 degrees. Yes, correct. Diagonals, in a parallelogram, the diagonals will bisect each other. They bisect each other. And are they bisect each other perpendicularly? No. How about the length of the diagonals? Are they equal? No, they are not equal. Now the trapezium. In a trapezium, all the sides are equal. No, all the sides are not equal. Opposite sides are equal? No, opposite sides will not be equal. Are the opposite sides are parallel? Tell me. Yes, there are parallel. Now about the angles. In a trapezium, all angles are equal with each other? No. Opposite angles are equal? No. When you add the adjacent angles, the sum is equal to 180 degrees? No. Are the diagonals bisect each other in a trapezium? Yes. If it is a regular trapezium and the length of the legs is equal, then you can say the diagonals will bisect each other. Are the diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly? No. Are the lengths are equal? Yes. If it is a regular trapezium, you can say the lengths will be equal. Now, regarding the kite, all the sides in kite are equal? No. The adjacent sides will be equal. And when you look at the the diagonal will divide the kite into two isosceles triangles. So the adjacent sides will be equal in a kite. Are the opposite sides are equal? No. Are the opposite sides are parallel with each other in a kite? No. Now about the angles. All the angles are equal in a kite? No. Opposite angles are equal? Yes. In a kite, opposite angles will be equal. How about the sum of the adjacent angles? They are not equal. Now regarding the diagonals will bisect with each other. No, they are not they did not bisect with each other. Now the diagonals bisect perpendicularly. The that is they intersect at perpendicularly. Yes. How about the length of the diagonals? They are not equal. So this is the these are the properties of quadrilaterals. And this is all about today's session. I think each and every student has understood the concept. Next session, we'll do some of the constructions in quadrilaterals. Thank you, students. Thank you.